Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 47 Practice Set video. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about powers of 10. And A says, write 456 in expanded notation using powers of 10. So I'm going to bring this down here. So 456 is equal to 4 times, this is in the hundreds place, plus 5 times, this is in the tens place, plus 6 times 1, because it's in the ones place. And if I wanted to use powers of 10, I could say, all right, this is 4 times 10 squared, because this is 10 times 10, plus 5 times 10 to the 1. This is just 10. It's kind of an invisible 1. Plus 6 times 10 to the 0, because anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, let me go ahead and change colors here. B, it says simplify 24.25 times 10 to the third. So this tells me that I'm going to be moving my decimal place 3 places that way. So that looks like this. This is my original number. I'm going to move my decimal place 1, 2, 3. So I'm adding a 0. So my answer is 24,250. Let's do another one. So this is 25 times 10 to the 6th, which means I'm going to take this, and this has an invisible decimal point right there. There's really nothing there. So I'm going to take my invisible decimal point, I'm going to move it 6 spaces this direction. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me find the places for my commas, and that is my answer to C. Let's pick a different color. I have 12.5 divided by 10 to the third. If it is divided by, then I'm going to move the decimal that way 3. So I have 12.5. I'm going to move it 3 to the left. So I have 1, 2, and then my third is going to be here. The decimal is here, and I normally put a 0 in front. So to rewrite it so it's not messy, I have this. And then lastly, 4.8 divided by 10 to the 4th, which means I'm going to move it 4 places this way. So let me have my 4.8. There's my point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll have 0.2348 as my answer. Oh, what did I do? I did something. Okay, I'm not sure what I did because I can't erase this over. Oh, wait. What is happening? Did I click on something? I think I clicked on something. Because those are star problems. And I still need to do these. So do I have a pen? I have a pen. I don't have an eraser. Okay, all right, well, great. So let's see. This says 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth is 10 to the what? Now when I multiply, why won't it draw? I do not know what I have done. Okay, I think I'm back to drawing. Okay, so it says 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth is equal to 10 to the what? So I'm going to add this plus this because I'm multiplying. So we have 10 to the 3 plus 4, which is equal to 10 to the 7th. So that's what I would put in this little box. I'm going to change colors. When I have divide, this is also equal to 10 to the 8th over 10 to the second. And when I have divide, I subtract. So when I have multiplication, I add my exponents. When I divide, I subtract. So this is going to be equal to 10 to the 8 minus 2, which is 10 to the 6th. Okay, new color. Okay, here I have 10 to the 4th squared. So when I have that, this is going to be 10 to the 4 times 2, which is 10 to the 8th. Okay, and that really is 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 4th, which is equal to 10 to the 8th. So, and then here I have n to the 3rd times n to the 4th. So this is multiplied just like f. So I have n to the 3 plus 4, which is n to the 7th. Okay. Okay, write each of the following numbers in standard form. Okay, so here I have 2.5 million. So I have 2, 5, and that's 100. That's, let's see, that would be 2.5 million. That's standard form. So 15 billion in standard form, 1,000, million, billion. And then 1.6 trillion, 1, 6, so that's 1,600, million, billion, trillion. Okay, and I think that's all. So the rest is starred problems. So look to the next video for the starred problems.